Guys, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. Today's episode, we've got a real nifty dish we're going to do. It is garlic Parmesan flounder. We've got fresh caught flounder from the Gulf of Mexico. We've got grated Parmesan cheese, Italian breadcrumbs, organic garlic, 4 cloves, organic lemon, 1 lemon juiced, organic olive oil, organic black pepper, and kosher salt. So we're gonna prep everything right now. I'm gonna bring you in closer and we'll get started right away. First things first, we're gonna get our garlic in here. We're gonna chop this up real quick. Looks good. All right. This is really not that much garlic, but it just adds such good flavor. Okay, we are ready now to put all our dry mixture into this, and then we're gonna bathe the flounder in here, mix them up real good. We've got a baking pan here that we already have oil in it, and we're gonna get it going. We've got our pan here we're gonna mix. I'm gonna drop our breadcrumb in here, our cheese, we're going to put our garlic in here. And a little bit of lemon juice. About half the mixture we'll put in here. Now we're going to mix this up and we'll see how good. Oh, this is going to be delicious. A lot of good flavors going on here. We're ready. Let's take a flounder. Now we've got our flounders all sitting in a little bit of oil. I'm going to put a little pinch of salt and some black pepper. You don't really have to do a lot of salt to fish. Okay, some black pepper, just a pinch of it. And a little bit more olive oil. Just a little dab. There we go. And she is ready to go into the oven. Does this not look delicious? Well, the oven is set at 425. We're going to bake it for approximately 20 minutes. And we're going to test it from 15 to 20 minutes. And these will cook up right away. Well, guys, the moment has arrived. Look at this dish. Is this not scrumptious? Let me hold this. Oh, yeah. We're going to try delicious, absolutely delicious. So it smells great, can't wait to taste it. Well, here goes nothing. Let me cut this. Flaky. Oh, the Parmesan cheese makes this. You don't even taste the garlic, the bite of the garlic. You can taste the garlic flavoring. The lemon adds what a nice touch to this dish. Bon appetit. In fact, I cut, again, 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. These were pretty thin, so I didn't go the full. I went about, I think it was about 14 minutes, 12 to 14 minutes. I tasted it, I tested it for a little bit, and it was still a little bit, too moist. Had to get a little flaky. So I let it go another couple of minutes and it was perfect. This dish, oh yeah, I like a little crust. Oh yeah, I like this. Delicious. Oh yeah. Oh man, I love it. That's the burnt, all the burnt cheese. Didn't stick to the pan. Absolutely delicious. Well guys, this is what I call a total success. Very simple meal, takes about 10-15 minutes to prep, 10 to 20 minutes depending on the thickness of your fillets to cook it. This tastes out of this world. This was truly a superb dish. Very simple, very, very tasty. So in an effort to eat healthy, this fits our healthy series perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that button. I want you to be part of our family. Munchie Mondays are made up of just delicious recipes like this. A new one is coming every Monday. Plus we mixed in with that. We do a ton of seafood reviews at the different restaurants, whether in Florida, Maine, wherever it is, Tennessee, anywhere we find ourselves in this country, we are going to be looking, finding them, and tasting the best little seafood joints all over this country. There's so much more to check out, and I want to bring everybody with us as we check this out. So again, thanks so much for joining with us today. You guys all have a busy life, but your support, it just means so much to us. Your comments are great. The interaction, send us feedback on our Gmail account, hit that like button. Really appreciate all you guys. And we'll see you on the next Munchie Monday. God bless.